Experience ANTARES, the new world in bus technology. The new flexible remote I/O system is installed directly in X areas and offers the same comfort there as systems in non-X areas do. The RCU, the Rail Control Unit, is the head of the ANTARES system. It accommodates the data processing, power management and an Ethernet switch. Many different modules for a great variety of applications. The system is fitted quickly and easily onto standard mounting rails. Complex bus rails are no longer necessary. Just join them together and the connection is safe. The efficient power pack in the head module can supply power to up to 32 multi-channel modules. This increases the number of sensors and actuators that can be served by the remote I/O system. More power, less expenditure. BARTEC is treading new ground with the ANTARES software too. It simplifies project planning and configuration by creating true-to-scale images. Limits, for example, in spacing and power management, are monitored automatically by the software. Two head modules work alongside each other as a genuine redundant system. If the active module fails, the other RCU takes over its functions immediately, thereby preventing downtime. The system components can be hot swapped in the X area too, without interrupting network operation. A totally new feature is that ANTARES no longer requires an isolating repeater. This makes it the perfect solution for Profibus DP, Profinet, Modbus TCP and Ethernet IP in the X area. Efficient power pack serving up to 32 remote I/O modules. ANTARES for Profibus and Ethernet 2. Same bus topology as in the non-X area. Hot swap. Genuine redundancy. ANTARES, trend-setting technology.